Every Sunday, this chicken tikha masala was a must in my family. My mom would make it with a soft, delicious amboli. Today, I made it with a Yakhni Pulao. This is my mom's authentic Konkani-style Chicken Tikha Masala. And the best part is we don't add even a drop of water. First, marinate the chicken with turmeric, salt, and ginger garlic paste. It aside. Meanwhile, in a pan, dry roast freshly grated coconut, sliced onions until nicely roasted. Let them cool and grind them together into a smooth masala. Now heat some oil in the same pan and add the marinated chicken pieces. I also add a little extra ginger garlic paste and coriander for that amazing Konkani flavor. Fry them well, then cover the cook on low flame until the chicken is absolutely halfway cooked. Chicken release its own natural moisture while cooking. The chicken and keep it aside. Meanwhile, make the onion paste on the side. In the same pan, add a little more oil and add an onion paste. Saute it well. Add tikha lal Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric and chicken masala. Make the tomato puree separately. Now add tomato puree and cook everything together. Mix well and let the masala cook until the oil starts separating. Add salt. Add the onion coconut masala and saute until the raw smell goes away. Add the half-cooked chicken pieces and coat every piece really well with that masala. Cover and cook on low flame until the chicken is completely cooked. The masala becomes thick, rich and delicious. Some recipes are more than a food. They bring back Sunday memories of home and mom's cooking. Finally adds lots of fresh coriander. That's it. Our authentic Konkani-style chicken tikha masala is ready. Usually, my mom serves this with Amboli, but today I pair it with my Yakhni Pulao. And honestly, this combination was just perfect.